Hey, Dr. Bret Glas here, walk-in chiropractic of Cocoa Beach, your tie-dye chiropractor with a mobility moment. Man, that's a mouthful. Anyway, today we're going to do one of my favorite shoulder exercises, and it's called an arm bar. Yeah, it sometimes can be as bad as it sounds. Nobody wants to be put in an arm bar, but this thing really opens up the shoulder, brings it back and down, and that shoulder retraction, there's protraction where the shoulder blades move forward, hands go forward, but we're going to bring it into retraction where those shoulder blades squeeze together towards the spine, and that's shoulder retraction. But we're also going to not allow it to come up. We're going to depress that shoulder with a straight arm. So we're after depression and retraction in that shoulder blade, and it's really going to open up the shoulder. Quite an amazing mobility exercise, stretch if you will. A lot of us get that dumping of the shoulder forward, spending time on the keyboard, driving, lounging in our chair, watching TV, Netflix, whatever you want to do. So what we got to do is bring those shoulders up and back. This is a fantastic mobility exercise for anything and everything we do overhead, particularly pull-ups, snatches for those CrossFitters out there. Or if you just like doing pull-ups, because it's a great strength thing for your back. So we're going to start in our get-up position, and we haven't talked about get-ups, but we're going to start with the left leg bent, the knee up. My left arm is just going to hang out here. My right leg is going to roll about 45 degrees off my center. I'll roll into that kettlebell. This one's pretty light. Normally I use a lot heavier. But for this, I'm just gonna walk through this. Straight wrist, and as I bring that elbow up and that weight up, I'm holding that bell, and I got that straight elbow, and my shoulder blade is back behind me and it's flat against the ground. We don't want this where the shoulder, there's a gap here. We don't want that. We want that shoulder blade stuck to the ground on this to start. My left arm is now gonna go to the opposite side. And what I'm going to do is switch legs here and keep a straight left side. My left arm goes over my head, the left leg is straight, and I am going to roll my body with that kettlebell straight up in the air, and I am going to cross over and give me a little more stability. My head's going to rest on my arm that's down, and that shoulder blade is pulling into my spine backwards and downward into that retraction and depression of the shoulder blade, and I'm twisting my hand so my elbow pit and my palm are facing my head, and I'm gonna rotate and let that just sink back into the spine. And even at 15 pounds here with this kettlebell, I can really feel that. So I'm gonna lift that right leg just to get a little more tension on that, and I'm gonna hold this for 2 minutes. And you'll really have to work on keeping that shoulder blade down. If it bunches up higher, it doesn't feel good on the shoulder blade or even on the neck, and you don't want to do that. It won't be any fun. So keep that pressed down. Now, as I come out of that, I just roll, keeping that kettlebell straight up in the air, and I'm going to roll right into it. Now I'm going to show you from this side, and we're going to switch sides here. I'm going to start with the left side, or they'll do the left arm, keeping that shoulder blade retracted and depressed against the floor, straight wrist, straight elbow. Now I'm turning the whole right side straight, and I'm going to rotate towards you, and I am going to pull that knee over, give myself kind of a 3-point stance there, a little bit of stability, pulling that shoulder blade down. You can see that kettlebell wants to rotate towards my head, my elbow pit, and my palm. It's what we call external rotation, and I can build a little more tension there, and I'm trying to get that shoulder back and depressed. Retracted and depressed. 2 minutes on each side. Use a moderate to light weight. Don't let that come up, especially toward your head. If you need to get started with somebody on helping you just to stabilize, it's probably a good idea so that this kettlebell doesn't punch you in the head and ruin your life. So 2 minutes each side there, and this is a fantastic movement for the shoulder blade, pulling those shoulders back. Enjoy it. Let me know if you got any questions. Again, Dr. Bret Glas, walk-in chiropractic of Cocoa Beach, your tie-dye chiropractor with a mobility moment.